In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A31, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using, in my case it's Google Chrome, then tap on the More icon, select History, and now click on Clear Browsing Data. And as you can see here, you've got some basic and advanced features. Under Basic you can find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also catch images and files. And if you will switch it to advanced, you will notice saved passwords, autofill from data, and also site settings. So just mark those that you would like to delete, and finally change the time range. So just click on time range and decide if you want to remove data from last hour, past 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. So it's up to you. I will pick all time, and finally click on clear data. And this is it. That will be all. As you can see, it has been cleared. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.